Google has released a patch for a zero-day exploit in their Chrome browser that has been actively exploited in the wild. This patch comes exactly 1 month after another zero-day patch in Chrome and is only one of 47 security fixes that have been rolled out for Chrome in this update. Chrome is the most widely used web browser, available in 47 different languages, and is installed on more than 1.2 billion devices. This means that more than 65% of users were using Google Chrome as their primary web browser in February of this year. Not much has been released about the zero-day vulnerability at this point in order to give a chance for the majority of users to update before the actual details are widely available. What is known at this point is that it is a serious object lifecycle issue in audio. Other patches in this release address buffer overflow issues, a lack of sufficient data validation, and other security bugs. Acronis Cyber Protect Cloud includes a simple vulnerability assessment that alerts you to any available updates in common applications such as Google Chrome, and the incorporated patch management lets you update these applications from within the web console with the simple click of a button.